certainly you can have a relationship. You have an intimate relationship. See? That's going to kick some ass right there. You know, in the beginning it'll be smooth. Because, you know, you're still kind of, you know, involved in it. This is great, promise, everything. I got wonderful, great. See? And there's two people. And the two people are different. They have different perspective, they have different needs, they have different neuroses, you know, they have different, you know, stuff, different views, different wants, blah, blah, blah. And those will tend to bump heads at some point, see? Yeah. Then, so, you know, take a look. Okay, now how can you relate to that? Huh? See? Because now it's really invested. See? Your heart's invested, right? Your life is invested, your identity's invested. Who you think you are is invested. Wait a minute, you're not painting the good picture. Come on, it's like, I don't like the painting, the picture you're painting here. You know, why? Okay, you know, you must be just wrong. And then you break up and you find somebody else. But then again, I'm just saying, see, if you use it properly, it's a real ass kicker. Because it gets into, you know, worms its way into stuff you would never have thought, you know. Well, again, using feedback properly. Again, the feedback, especially from a person, right, giving feedback, it may not be objective. And they also might be projecting or have a dog in the fight, so to speak. You say this, like they're biased, maybe not. And even if they're biased, and even if they have dog in the fight, like it still might be true. And they may well, you know, if they really want to hurt your feelings, you know, they use the truth, yeah? See, they find something, they know you're going to like, boom. In any case, yeah. So it gives you that, and you can look at it, but it's quite difficult. See? And then it's like, we had a guy here, you know, we did this exercise, and we did feedback. It was long ago. I don't even do that anymore, see? But he got feedback, crushed him. And that was it for him. Yeah.
I think we still do a short version of that in one of the workshops. Like give your partner feedback, be like a dispassionate, you know, say what you see over there. I think somewhere.
I tried to create something that works, right? But it's so difficult.
Yeah.
But still, you know, just a little. I mean, even that not incredibly effective exercise, you know, flatter them, you know, criticize them, remember, you know, stay complete, blah, 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 notice, right? Still, it has some effect, you know. You get to notice, even though, you know, it's all a setup. Still, they flatter you and you, whatever, you know, they criticize you, whatever, you know, like, yeah. And you know it's a setup.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.